Hey everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to fix visual effects on Google Meet when background or filters aren't working properly. First of all, make sure your device supports visual effects, background blur and virtual effects. Those needs a good internet connection and a device through processing power. Make sure your device is connected to the internet, proper internet. Then open the Google Meet. Then on the desktop, click the three dot, apply the visual effect. If nothing works, try switching to Chrome browser since Google Meet effects work best there. Also clear your cache or update Chrome to the latest version. On the mobile, when you are joining on Google Meet, tap effects at the bottom and choose blur or a background. If it doesn't show up, update your Google Meet app in the Play Store or App Store. Lighting also matters. As you can see at the here, you can see backgrounds of this. As you can see, this is the blur option, and you can also add the background photo from here. You can add filters from here. So if these are not working, make sure your Google Meet is updated. Go on the Play Store and search for the Google Meet and make sure it is up to date. Now lighting also matters. Effects won't look right in dark rooms. Try sitting in a well lit space for cleaner result, and that's how you fix visual effects in Google Meet. If this was helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech tips, and I'll see you in the next one.